In an experiment conducted by a marine biologist, a large shark was placed in a water tank, and then a group of small fish was added as bait for the shark. As expected, the shark attacked the small fish and consumed all of them. After that, the scientist placed a glass divider to divide the tank into two equal sections, then put a group of small fish on one side and the shark on the other side. The shark attacked immediately, but this time it collided with the glass divider. Despite this, the shark continued its attempts without surrender or boredom, while the group of small fish swam calmly and safely. After several hours, the shark finally gave up and stopped trying. The experiment was repeated multiple times over the following few weeks, and the aggression of the shark decreased each time until it completely surrendered and stopped attacking the group of small fish altogether. At that point, the biologist removed the glass partition, but the shark did not attack this time either, as it had become fully convinced of the presence of the invisible barrier between it and the group of small fish. The lesson from this story: many people lose hope after experiencing shocks and failures multiple times, as is the case with the shark in this short story. We tend to remain weighed down by past defeats, believing that we will never succeed. We build imaginary barriers in our minds while they may not exist. Never stop trying, as success may be just one step away from you.